I got no drip in my pocket. Must've forgot it, or maybe I already lost it. Don't got enough to go cop it. I'm about to take off like a rocket. Houston, we might have
what is up to all my subscribers and all my viewers? Thank you for tuning in to another video. We are over here at the shop from my homie Tran. So thank goodness we're inside the shop because it's windy as heck outside. But today's video, we're going to be installing some car parts that I have right here down below that you guys are going to see here in a bit once I open it. M3 in the back. So we're going to install some carbon fiber splitters. We're going to install a carbon fiber front lip. So it's going to be dope, and let's go.
Cause I still got the chest coming 150. I got no drip in my pocket. Yeah, must've forgot it, or maybe I already lost it. Don't got enough to go cop it. I'm about to take off like a rocket. Oh, Houston, we might have a problem, and that don't mean money will solve them. Yeah, that don't mean money will solve them.
It was never about the comments, you know that these problems, they come with a lease. Shawty keep on asking for it like I got the money, just go to the streets. This ain't Givenchy, it's Fifi. I get my money, then hold it back like a rich nigga with an ice pack. Under quarterback, you a halfback. Check the difference in banking amount that. Take my stacks out of the bank to the flat X, and then I go right back just to spend it. Still a 07 nigga with the Spanish paper last out, baby. That my business, such a heartbreaker out here with the women. Yeah, they wanna touch it, I just need the space. Why you tryna rush it? Get up on my face.
I got no drip in my pocket. Must've forgot it, maybe I already lost it.
The front lip will be holding this way. Yeah. Alright guys, so funny story, one night when I was coming out of the gym, I was on the freeway trying to pick a song on my phone, and when I look up I see something like in the middle lane. It looked like a cardboard box on it, so like kind of like this, and I thought it was low enough for me to pass it, you know what I mean, like it looked pretty low. So once I started getting closer, I looked up again and I realized it was a lot taller than I expected. So when I tried to swerve lanes, I couldn't because there was already cars next to my car, and I would have hit those cars. So I had to hit that shit head on, and that's whenever I hit the front lip, the whole front lip just pretty much just broke in half, and it was just scraping on the way home. So I took off the front lip, and then the splitters were still kind of cracked. So when that happened, that was probably like a year and a half ago. So now I decided to order some more car parts, so I got the 2 splitters in the front lip again, and hopefully we get some car shows, and car season is upon us, and so that's pretty much what happened. Yeah. So on the splitters, one bolt goes right here on the bottom, but you would put the M tape inside so it could still glue on there. Got the M Performance mufflers. I got the AWE catback exhaust, as you can see right here, and then I got the AWE downpipes, and then I have the JB4 tune under the hood, but I don't think we're gonna show that today. That'll probably be for another video if I switch maps to maybe a higher E85 map, because right now I'm on map 2, and then my boy Tran said that on map 2 you could do like a half E85 and then half 91, so shouldn't put too much pressure on the transmission or the block. But if I want to do full E85, I would have to change the map to a different tune. And I have seen other F80 M3s switch, I believe, to map 6 or map 7, where they do methanol injection, and I think they ran like mid-10s, so she can get rowdy here. So this is the homie Trans Whip Kia Stinger twin turbo. Pretty much the same color combo, just a darker blue, but this thing's fast, it's quick. Don't have to drag strip. But Tran is a homie. He's worked on this car, the F80 M3. He's also worked on my E92 M3. I'll try and post a couple of small clips, if not in this vlog, in different vlogs of that car, because I do miss it. And the only reason I did sell my E92 M3 was to get the F80, because that was my dream car, either that or GTR. But I've been in GTRs in this car, so it's all gravy. But at the end of the day, he's worked on my E92 on this car, from changing brakes, changing oil, spark plugs. On my E92 M3, the CCC module for the radio went out. He was able to install that as well, which was a pain in the ass. And also on my E92, the rod bearings never went out. Thank goodness, because that would have cost a pretty penny. But what did go out was the throttle actuators on my E92 M3. So I believe I had to buy 2 of them. I think it was like $600 each, so like $1,200 total. So he's done it all, so good work. Alright guys, so pretty much we just finished the install. Splitters are on, front lip are on, and the fitment was way better than I thought. RW carbon came through, so I will definitely be buying my future carbon fiber car parts for my F80 M3 and maybe other vehicles in the future that I do get from RW carbon. The carbon fiber weave was very good quality. The fitment was smooth. Pretty much 30 to 45 minute install. It was quick and simple, and you know, I'll definitely be showing you guys more car parts from them as well. The next car mods that I do want to do will probably be the charge pipes or the intakes. I do not have the charge pipe or the intakes. I also might be looking at a heat exchanger or the intercooler. People say it's the same thing, so we'll see what happens. But charge pipes or intakes is what I'm looking at. So stay tuned for more clips. If you guys like the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and also comment what mods you guys would like to see, what type of videos you guys would like to see. But thank you so much for tuning in, and till the next one, peace out.